everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of Volvo Cars' cutting-edge manufacturing facility right here in South Carolina, USA. This is where innovation meets craftsmanship and where the future of automotive excellence is born. As we step into Volvo's Charleston plant, located just outside the historic city, we're greeted by a hive of activity. This facility, opened in 2018, has quickly become a cornerstone of Volvo's global production strategy, boasting the capability to produce up to 150,000 cars annually. Our tour kicks off with a close-up look at the star of the show, the Volvo EX90. This fully electric SUV isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of Volvo's commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technology. The first of these stunning models, painted in denim blue, is set to hit the roads later this year, marking a significant milestone in Volvo's electric journey. Here, advanced technologies enable the shaping of vehicle frames with unparalleled precision. The paint shop, equipped with eco-friendly processes, applies Volvo's signature finishes with meticulous care, ensuring durability and a flawless aesthetic appeal. A highlight of our tour is Volvo's cutting-edge battery production line. This facility not only produces batteries for the EX90's impressive electric range, but also exemplifies Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Advanced techniques minimize environmental impact while maximizing energy efficiency, setting new standards for eco-friendly manufacturing in the automotive industry. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident throughout the production process. Each vehicle, including the EX90, incorporates Volvo's latest safety technologies, from advanced driver assistance systems to comprehensive crash protection measures. These innovations not only protect occupants, but also contribute to Volvo's vision of achieving zero traffic fatalities. Walking through the plant, we witness firsthand the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each Volvo EX90 and S60 sedan. The body shop and paint shop have been recently upgraded to incorporate the latest technologies, ensuring each vehicle meets Volvo's high standards of quality and safety. One of the highlights of our tour is the state-of-the-art battery pack production line. Here, advanced manufacturing techniques ensure that every Volvo EX90 is equipped with a powerful and reliable battery system, enabling an impressive electric range of up to 600 kilometers. At Volvo, safety isn't just a feature, it's a core value. The EX90 incorporates Volvo's next-generation safety technology, making it one of the safest cars on the road today. Its Scandinavian-inspired design balances aesthetics with functionality, offering a spacious and comfortable environment for the whole family. What sets the EX90 apart is its intelligent core system, always connected and ready for updates. Powered by AI and real-time data, Volvo engineers continuously enhance the driving experience through software updates, ensuring your EX90 remains at the forefront of automotive innovation. As a leader in automotive safety, Volvo has set the bar high with their latest flagship SUV. Join us as we witness how Volvo ensures uncompromising safety for you and your loved ones. Volvo's commitment to safety is legendary, and the EX90 is no exception. Before any vehicle hits the road, it undergoes a series of intensive crash tests to evaluate its performance under extreme conditions. These tests simulate various scenarios, from frontal collisions to side impacts and rollovers, ensuring that the EX90 not only meets but exceeds global safety standards. Before the crash test begins, Volvo's engineers meticulously prepare the vehicle. They carefully position sensors and cameras, both inside and outside the EX90, to capture crucial data during the test. This data is vital in assessing how the vehicle's structural integrity, airbag deployment, and safety systems perform during impact. The frontal crash test is a critical evaluation of how the EX90 protects its occupants in a head-on collision. At high speeds, the vehicle is propelled towards a solid barrier. Instantly, Volvo's advanced safety systems kick in, deploying airbags and tightening seatbelts to minimize the impact on passengers. The robust structure of the EX90 absorbs and redirects crash forces away from the cabin, safeguarding everyone inside. In the side impact test, a moving barrier strikes the EX90 at precise angles to simulate real-world scenarios. Here, Volvo's side impact protection system comes into play, featuring reinforced side panels, advanced curtain airbags, and strategically placed crumple zones. These innovations work together to shield occupants from potential intrusions and distribute crash forces effectively. Rollover accidents are among the most severe, but Volvo engineers anticipate and mitigate these risks with extensive testing. The EX90's stability control systems and reinforced roof structure are put to the test in simulated rollover scenarios. Here, Volvo's commitment to safety shines through, as the EX90 demonstrates its ability to maintain cabin integrity and protect occupants from harm. Our journey through Volvo's Charleston plant highlights not only the precision and dedication of Volvo's workforce, but also their unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. From electric vehicles to advanced safety features and sustainable manufacturing practices, Volvo is leading the charge towards a greener and safer future on the roads. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more behind-the-scenes tours of innovation in action. Stay tuned for our next adventure into the world of cutting-edge technology and automotive excellence. See you next time!